Hello and welcome to the 3-day weather forecast from the Nigerian Meteorological Agency. The current position of the ITD at approximately latitude 14 degrees north is likely to limit the zone of thunderstorms to the central parts of the country, and so for the next 3 days we expect more activities of thunderstorms to affect the central parts of the country and the inland cities than the northern parts of the country. We are therefore expected on Friday to see partly cloudy conditions affect the extreme north extending from the northeastern part of Maiduguri down to Sokoto areas, while scattered thunderstorms are expected to affect the central parts and the southern parts of the country. Our maximum temperature forecast on this day is expected to be highest at 43 degrees Celsius during the day over Damaturu areas, while other places in this zone are expected to watch out for maximum daytime highs between 32 degrees Celsius and 41 degrees Celsius, except Jos, where 29 degrees Celsius, the lowest value, is expected during the day. However, nighttime temperatures are expected to range between 18 degrees Celsius over Jos to about 25 degrees Celsius in other parts of these northern areas. The southern parts are expected to see daytime highs between values of 30 degrees Celsius to 33 degrees Celsius and nighttime values between 19 degrees Celsius and 23 degrees Celsius. For our air quality forecast, we expect air quality to be fine across most parts of the country, particularly over Abuja, Niger State, where the air quality index is considered good as shown in green. Other parts shown in yellow are expected to have moderate air quality index with little or no health implications on persons living around these areas. However, Uyo is expected to have air quality that is considered unhealthy for sensitive groups of persons. By Saturday, we also expect the northern part of the country to be partly cloudy with prospects for thunderstorms over the central parts of the country and also the southern parts of the country, except Port Harcourt areas and Yenagoa and Bayelsa State, where cloudy conditions are to prevail. For our maximum temperature forecast on this day, we expect to see a slight drop in temperature as we see over Damaturu, where temperature has dropped, is expected to drop from 43 previous day to 39 degrees Celsius during the day. Other places within this zone are expected to see daytime highs between 29 degrees Celsius over Jos to 41 degrees Celsius. In other places, the south is expected to watch out for daytime highs between values of 32 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius and nighttime temperatures between 21 degrees Celsius and 24, except over Lagos, Ibadan areas, where 19 degrees Celsius is expected at night. For our air quality forecast on this day, we also expect most of the places to have moderate air quality that is considered to have no implications on the health of persons. However, few places in the south, in Uyo and also in Owerri, are expected to have unhealthy air quality index for persons living around these areas. Lokoja is expected to have good air quality during this day. And by Sunday, we expect most parts of the north to still remain partly cloudy with prospects for thunderstorms around the central parts of Plateau, Kaduna, and also the FCT Abuja areas. The inland cities of the south down towards the coastal area watch out for thunderstorms, while the southeast coast is expected to be cloudy. Our maximum temperature forecast on this day is expected to range between values of 29 degrees Celsius during the day to about 41 degrees Celsius over Sokoto in the north. We expect the southern parts of the country to have daytime highs in the range of 30 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius, and nighttime temperatures in the south are expected to range between 18 degrees Celsius to values of about 25 degrees Celsius. Our air quality forecast on this day is expected to be moderate over most parts of the country, with little or no health implications on the health of persons living across most parts of the country. This is where we draw the curtains for the 3-day forecast. I remain Paul Ugbah. Thanks for watching and see you again.